Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I'm so excited for this video because I'm going to be sharing with you all a less expensive foundation. You can save your coins, and that's the Juvia Place foundation, girl. That is what I'm wearing right now. I believe that this is a dupe for the NARS foundation. The price range for this is like 50 something dollars, and girl, you can just save your coins and get this Juvia Place foundation for $23, y'all. Both give you that naturally radiant finish. So I'm going to be sharing with you all this foundation and my thoughts on it. If that's something that you're interested in, then keep on watching this video. So yeah, enough of me talking. Let's just hop into the video. Hey guys, so let's start off with the eyes. I'm going to be using the Juvia Place coffee shop palette. Now this palette is not new to the channel. Today I'm going to do something kind of soft and natural. I'm going to dig into this palette, and I think I'm going to start off with that brown color right there, and I'm going to put that just right here as my base color into this brown color right here, and I'm going to put this in my crease. And just to blend out, like, you see that harshness right there, take this darker brown right here. I'm just going to apply that right here. Alrighty, so let's get to the good part. First thing that I'm going to be sharing is the new Juvia Place foundation. I'm in the shade Malawi. Oh my gosh, I hope I said that right. Malawi 230. A few pumps on my face. Y'all see that? This foundation is so pretty. Now I'm just going to go in with my concealers. I'm going to use this one first. I'm going to use my Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Brittle. A little bit right here. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. It's in the pictures I replay. One next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. You don't really want. I'm going to take my favorite contour stick from Fenty Beauty. It's in the shade Espresso. Okay, so now I'm about to do my favorite part, which is smoking out my bottom lash lines. Just to blend it out a little bit more, I like to take a brush and just look up and like. Now, just to enhance my under eye and to make it a little bit more brighter, I'm going to go in with this Charlotte Tilbury think it's their setting powder. This number is 10. And I'm just going to just take my brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to just dab in there a little bit, dab it in here a little bit, and I'm just going to look up and just set. You see the difference? You see that? So I really love this powder as well, just to add, like, to make sure the under eye is not budging, not going nowhere, and that it lasts all day. Face is technically done, so I did pick up the new Juvia Place lip liners, and also I picked up one I think it's a lip gloss, and so I'm excited to try them out. I already used Cocoa Latte before. Yeah, like, y'all, these lip liners are amazing. I already have one of their lip liners that I've been using faithfully for a long time now, and that's in the shade Cola. That's just their original brown lip liner that they had came out with, but they also just launched some new lip liners. All of them are chocolate girl friendly. All of them are like really rich brown shades. So like I said, I picked up Cocoa Latte and I picked up Espresso. So let's try out, just to show you all. I'm just going to swatch it on the back of my hand. Shade Cocoa Latte, and it's a beautiful, like, rich brown. Y'all see that? It's so pretty. That's the shade Cocoa Latte. This is the shade Espresso. Let's see what this one looking like. So, that's Espresso. It kind of looked the same as the other one. Can y'all see that? So that one right here is Cocoa Latte, and then that one is Espresso. They're kind of similar, aren't they? But let's swatch Espresso first. So I'm just gonna just apply it. Okay. I like it already. Yes. Now, Espresso is deep, okay? I thought Cocoa Latte was deep, but Espresso is giving. It's giving, and I love it. Finally, a brand came out with some lip liners that are like chocolate girl friendly, like brown girl friendly, because it's hard to find a good lip liner that's really a true brown, especially on me. Like, every time I try lip liners, they from like in other brands, they either pull like purple or not deep enough, not brown enough. So this right here, guys, don't walk, run to your nearest Ulta Beauty and pick up these lip liners. Like, oh my goodness. Picked up one of their lip glosses. This one's in Coffee Break, which is so cute, and it's kind of like a nude color. As you can see, it's really pretty, a nice nude color. So I'm gonna apply this one, and let's just see how it looks, y'all. You ready? Let's go. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, I think I like it now. I think I like it. It's cute. It's cute. Let me just spray my face. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Alrighty, y'all, so this includes today's video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun sharing with you all some new products that I picked up from Juvia Place. Like, let's do the foundation review, okay? This foundation, I feel like it's a worth of your money, of course. Like, it's better than spending almost $50-something than, like, is so much better. The Juvia Place foundation is only $23 and it's a dupe for the NARS. And girl, in my opinion, I say save your coins because the Juvia Place foundation, it looks as if you use a higher end foundation. Like it looks so pretty. Like, oh my goodness, it looks so good. Like it looks flawless. It looks airbrushed. It looks natural. It feels like I have nothing on my face at all, which is a plus. That's what you want. You don't want to feel like you have nothing on, right? So I say get it, girl. It's so pretty and I love it personally. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and thank you guys for coming to hang out with me today. And so yeah, I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you said to me.